Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to install a Postgresql on a Windows machine. So let's start. I'm on Google on a Mozilla Firefox and I've opened up Google, so I just type in Postgresql and hit enter. And I'll just go to this site which becomes available to me, postgresql.org. And once I'm on that website, I want to download, so I'll hit the download button. And you can see it's giving me multiple operating systems. Because we're only going to install Windows, I'll click on Windows. And it is showing me the various PostgreSQL versions depending on the version of Windows that you have. So you have to look at the compatibility of the version for your installation. And once you've decided that, you can click the download the installer. And for me, because I'm on the latest version, I'll just go ahead on this one. So I'll take PostgreSQL 17.2. So I'll click on the Windows installer. And once this has started downloading for me, I will continue with the installation process. So I'll pause this for now, and then I will continue it once this has been downloaded for me. So once you've downloaded the installer on your downloads directory or wherever it has been downloaded, just go there and double click the installer, and it will open up a pop-up for you like this to install a PostgreSQL database. So I'll just click the next button, and then it just selected a directory, and I'm happy with this. I'll click next. You can change the directory if you wanted. I'll keep all of these options which have been provided to me. So I'll install all these components and I'll hit next. And then this is the location of the data directory. I'll just keep the default directory location, and then I'll click next. For password, I'll select a very simple password. This is for educational purposes, so it doesn't really matter. But just be mindful that in production or in a higher environment, you might want to have a a more complicated password. So I've excuse me. So I'll just put in password here, and I'll retype password. So this is my password. Everything is in lowercase password, and then I'll just click next. And it is the default port for PostgreSQL, or where it listens, is 5432. So I'll select that, and then I'll click next, and then select the locale. So for this, I'm just going to keep the default locale. I'm not going to change anything. And then I'll click next. And so it's just showing me the selections I've made, and I'm happy with that. So then I'll just click the next button. And then I'll hit next again, and it will start installing. So it's starting to install this. So now we've essentially covered the first step, where we've learned how to download the PostgreSQL database and install it. I'll be taking other setups or other videos on how to connect to this database, and then play through or go through the files that are already available. But I hope you find this video useful in terms of just installing PostgreSQL on your Windows machine. Look at the video notes, and I will put some notes in for the list that has been created for this specific series, so you can go through it and explore the next ones, where it will show you how to install pgadmin software, so you can have a GUI to play around with the database. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.